first thing we're going to do is to put the undersleeve onto the side piece. This really gets the top on the way, so let's get started. First step is to place it in front of you, so you've got your outside and your inside. So these fit actually together, so the back of this and the front of this fit on like that, and the back of this bit and the front of this fits on like that. Now make sure that you have the right sides facing each other. Now we're going to just pin these in. First, put one pin in where your underarm is, and then you'll just take this up to the top, and on the other side as well. Go. There we go. Let's put this round. And so do the same on the other side. It'll fit on perfect from one side to the other. We have a 1 centimeter seam allowance here. But if you did a little bit less, it wouldn't really matter too much. Right, so I've got this pinned in now. And all we have to do is sew along here on the inner edge. You place it under like so. You have to secure your stitches, and then as you go you want to really push in so you don't stretch stuff. And you can also hold it to make sure that you don't have any pleats. You won't do here. The grain is fairly much straight. You only have to like do this pushing in where the grain is diagonal, and come up here. You can always help yourself with your pin. Go up, hold it, and that was it. Don't forget to go backwards and forwards, lock in your stitches, and we can take it out and have a look at what we've done. Make sure that you end up with a pair so you don't get disappointment afterwards. Cut off all your threads, and then what do you think is next? Yes, overlocking. I'm overlocking from the side of the side piece, so I've got the nice side facing up afterwards. And you just gently move it round, and you make sure that where you have this elevation, that is where the knife's going to come, so make sure you line that up. And there we go, beautiful. The next step is to just iron this up here. So I'm going basically into the sleeve, and you want to have a nice firm edge here at the top, because that's where it's going to be a little bit, tricky in a minute. And as long as you do all the steps really well, you will get it in well, but you do have to do that. So make sure that it's really nice and sharp, and you can see how that is the part that will then stand out here. Now this part is done, and you have inserted your undersleeve.
We're going to attach the side piece to the front and back. See you there.